A pretty cold sunset here on Monday, November 6th, the week after Superstorm Sandy. We had a little damage here in the east coast of Massachusetts. There's some poles down here on Town Way where we used to have houses on both sides of the street until the blizzard of '78 came along and actually maintained it as a street until that it was in April 2007 nor'easter. You lose track of the nor'easters here by the shore. Sandy turned into a superstorm. It still had hurricane characteristics when it went into New Jersey. That's why the power was generated into New Jersey. And here on the east coast of Massachusetts, we did generate 50 to 60 mile an hour winds, but not that huge of a tide. No real huge problems with the tide, and we had 4 or 5 days of beautiful surf afterwards. It was not just Sandy. There was another storm way out in the Atlantic. We've talked a lot about the Atlantic blocking. Well, there was a storm way out there that actually generated a 15-foot swell before Sandy even came along. This week we have another nor'easter coming. There's going to be a phasing of the southern stream, not pure tropical, but subtropical, from the Gulf of Mexico and the Gulf Stream. And it's going to phase with almost Arctic air that's coming into New England right now. The first snowflakes of the season fell here today. No surf for now, and because this storm that's coming up the coast is going to be fairly close to the coast, it's more of a wind swell. Probably have a 15 to 20 foot wind swell, but it's not going to last for 4 days afterwards the way Sandy did. Water temperature's down to about 52 now. Air temperature is going to freezing for the first time here by the coast, so we're going to be a little bit more careful with the waves, I'm sure, but we should have a day after, maybe Friday or so. Friday will be leftover day. The storm itself hits on a Wednesday night and Thursday. It looks kind of scary. We could have winds gusting past 60 again with a 15-foot wind swell. May actually have more damage here on the east coast of Massachusetts from this storm than we did in the last one, and it depends on the track. So if it gets surfable, it's going to be on Thursday and Friday as the wind shifts and it gets kind of cold. But guess what? Next Monday, going for 75 degrees here in eastern New England. Not sure if there'll be surf, but there'll be some sunshine as a warm-up comes our way. Not very good news for the ski resorts. Incidentally, if you're thinking about going skiing, Killington, Sunday River are open. The snow guns are on everywhere, and the Atlantic will be open again later this week. For Board Living, Surf Ski Weatherman down by the shore.